Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today in Zia's Kitchens, let us make a sweet recipe, a dessert. This is a cake. This is called as cassava cake. Cassava is nothing but a tapioca. Let us check the ingredients. Tapioca 1 kilo, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of butter and quarter cup of warm milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 egg and grated cheese. Now first step is to clean the tapioca. Let us peel off the skin. Now this is done. Now we have to grate this with the help of a grater. Grate this and keep it aside. Now this cassava has a starch in this. So now we have to squeeze out all the starch from this cassava. We are going to use only the pulp. Now this is done. Let us add the other ingredients: butter, the coconut milk. This is the first coconut milk, the thick one. And now mix well. Now add 3/4 cup of the condensed milk and keep the rest for the later use. Here we are not using any maida or any baking powder or baking soda, nothing. Now it's time to add the milk, quarter cup of milk and the egg. Beat well so that all the ingredients mix and get along with the cassava. Meanwhile, let us prepare the plate. Add some butter and spread it over. Let us preheat the pan. We are not going to make this cassava cake in an oven. Let us make this in a pan. Now I have preheated a pan. I have added little salt at the bottom and kept one stand over that so that the cake plate will not touch the bottom. Let us preheat for 10 minutes. Now add the batter in the plate. And slightly tap the plate so that it will set correctly. Now keep it slowly, keep it inside. The pan is very hot, so take care. Close the lid. This we have to let it cook for 20 minutes. Now you can see a small hole on the lid. Let us close the hole with a small piece of tissue. And after 20 minutes, use a square and let us check whether it is done. Now it is not sticky, so this is almost done. Now let us add the balance condensed milk over the cake. And now the grated cheese. Add the grated cheese over this. So now let it be on the flame for 5 more minutes. Let us check. Wow, this is almost done. So yummy. It looks delicious. Now this is done. This is very simple and easy to make at home, even without an oven. Everyone should try this at home and please leave a comment. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. The cassava cake is ready now. Thanks for watching.